And now the news in detail. The autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly begins on Friday. On the first day, several bills were also introduced. Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister, introduced the Meghalaya Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill 2023 and Meghalaya Lokayukta Amendment Bill 2023. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong introduced the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya Members Pension Amendment Bill 2023. Cabinet Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh introduced Meghalaya Medical Council Amendment Bill 2023 and National Law University of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. Rakam A. Sangma, Minister in Charge, Education, introduced the Rajit Lal University Repealing Bill 2023 and Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University Amendment Bill 2023. Minister in Charge of Social Welfare Paul Lyngdoh laid the report of inquiry into the matter of rice allotment and supplementary nutrition program under Integrated Child Development Scheme.